In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate M&S credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged into the app, head to the main dashboard. Your new credit card should be listed under your Accounts or Card section with a prompt that says Activate Card or Card Ready to Activate. Tap on that prompt and you'll be taken to the activation screen. Here, the app will typically ask you to confirm a few security details like the last 4 digits of your credit card number, the card's expiry date, or your security number. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your M&S credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.